An attorney who's working on the Holly Bobo case is fighting for his professional life tonight. Fletcher Long and a fellow attorney face extortion charges in Clarksville. If convicted, that could keep him from practicing law. Happening now, our Todd Walker is live in Clarksville, where the jury deliberated for more than 6 hours today. Todd, this could be another setback in the Holly Bobo case.
It certainly could, Rory. The jury called it a night in this case around 9:15, just 45 minutes ago. They had been deliberating since 2:30 this afternoon, and those deliberations certainly have gone on longer than anyone thought they would, as has this case. They thought they'd be wrapped up sometime last week. Fletcher Long and his former law partner, Carrie Gazaway, are accused in a $50,000 extortion case that dates back to 2010. The TBI investigated for 2 years and brought those charges last year in 2014. This case got underway early last week, and both Long and Gazaway's legal futures as attorneys hang in the balance in this case. But what could also be affected, as you mentioned, is the Holly Bobo case. Fletcher Long is an attorney for Jason Autry, who is one of the defendants in that kidnapping and murder case. Of course, if there's a guilty verdict against Fletcher Long, he'd be taken off of the Holly Bobo case. But what remains to be seen is whether there would be any more delays in that case, as we have already seen so many delays in the Holly Bobo case. But again, that remains to be seen whether that will happen. What also remains to be seen is whether or when this jury will bring back a verdict. They brought a question for the judge late this evening about whether they could bring a verdict for one of the two attorneys and save the other to finish deliberating until tomorrow. The judge said no, he wanted to have both of the verdicts at the same time. Fletcher Long, who's been a defense attorney for a long time, he interprets these long deliberations as better for the defendant. So he is confident in that regard, but you could also tell that he was visibly nervous. His future hangs in the balance, and so he's nervous in this case, but also was cracking jokes with us in the hallway. So this all remains to be seen how this is going to turn out. The jury gets back to work tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. We're live in Clarksville tonight. I'm Todd Walker, News Channel 5 HD.